I'm going to show you behind the scenes of what Stan.Store looks like and why I think it's one of the best link and bio sites at present that I found. So this is the back end. You can see I've got my few products here, and then there's like a preview on the side here. These are products that are selling, so you can see the prices and very clear buttons, and then these are just links below. So if I show you what it looks like when it's just the front end, so you can have your image, your name, your social media links. And then what I really like about Stan.Store is how clear this is. So you have your image. My images might not be the best. I'll update them and my products might change as I sort of go on. But there's a clear title. You can have your description below and then the price. And then you can have your button. And you can see how clear those buttons really stand out and can really encourage somebody to click on your products. And then down here, these are links, so they won't be capturing emails. There are many different styles that you can have your Stan.Store. I've got the classic Stan.Store at the moment, but they have quite a few different styles that you can choose from. And then you can change the colors and the font to whatever you want. If you found this useful, like and subscribe. And if you want to check out Stan.Store for yourself, I'll leave a link in the comments or you can find it on my bio.